In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a chat by creating a link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any conversation into a shareable link and send it wherever it needs to go quickly and confidently. First, open the chat you want to share. Make sure you're in the exact conversation or thread you intend to send. Double-check the messages so you're not sharing the wrong chat by mistake. It's a good moment to quickly scan for anything private you don't want others to see, like personal details or sensitive attachments. If your app supports it, you can also trim the conversation to the specific messages you want to share before proceeding. Next, look for the Share option. Depending on your app, this might appear as a Share button, a curved arrow, or inside a three-dot menu. On a tap or click Share to bring up your sharing options. If you don't see it right away, try opening the Chat's Options or Details panel. Many apps tuck Share into a secondary menu to keep the interface clean. Now choose Create Link. This tells the app to generate a unique URL for the chat. The app may take a moment to process, especially for longer conversations. While it's working, remember that a shareable link generally allows anyone with the link to view the content, so it's best to use it only for conversations you're comfortable making accessible. Some apps offer link settings, like expiration or access restrictions. If you see those, set them according to your needs. Once the link is ready, copy the link. Most apps will provide a copy button or automatically place the link on your clipboard. To be sure it worked, you can paste the link into a blank note or message draft and verify that it appears as expected. If something looks off, simply tap Copy again. Finally, send the link. Paste it into an email, a message, a document, or any app where your audience will see it. Add a short line of context so recipients know what they're opening, like the topic of the chat or why you're sharing it. If a preview appears, give it a quick glance to confirm it references the right conversation. You can repeat this exact process for any other chat you want to share. Open the chat, tap Share, create the link, copy it, and send it. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you'll be able to share conversations cleanly and securely without forwarding chains or screenshots. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.